and you're all very welcome to the Summit of 2024. 2 days of actionable vocation training.
How much time do you actually get to prepare for those big moments, those times where it's going to really make a difference to your business?
The need for leadership, judgment, people management, those things are never going away.
It's intelligent technology amplifying our human ingenuity.
I don't want to be seen as brave or courageous for selling my story. I want to be seen as normal.
Is this project possible? I have absolutely no idea, but I'm absolutely going to find out.
Fluctuation in your mood is normal, and that's part of being human.
I think you get more out of people by encouraging them and telling them what they can do than keep telling them what they can't do.
I went into cold water and I felt great without words. This is it.
You are the conductor of your orchestra. You either conduct an orchestra of excellence or a chorus of discontent.
Does this align with what's most important for you in your life?
When you make decisions, you make big decisions, but you make it for the country. Yeah, and that's alignment.
The power of visualization. Please, if there is one thing you remember from my speech today, think about that.
When someone values you, you've fulfilled your mission, your purpose, you feel alive.
That it's not what you have that matters, it's what you give away. We hate the sound of silence. We always have to fill those gaps, and silence is your best friend.
I'm a great believer of employ the right people for the right roles and empower them to get on with their job.
That no matter how chaotic things get, there's something within you that stays static and strong and connected. Find it.